Hello everyone, I'm Arsha Modi Singhania from Listen to Your Heart and Door. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are watching my videos for the first time, please do take a second and like, share and subscribe my channel. So in my last video, I have shared with you a basic decoupage tutorial, and today we are gonna move a step ahead and I'm gonna share with you a texture decoupage tutorial. But before I start that, please do take a second and subscribe my channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll be sharing the link in the description. I'll be sharing the material details as well. So let's start with our tutorial. So friends, here I have taken one MDF pencil base and I have coated it with white primer like always. After drying, I have given it a good rub with a sandpaper to get a smooth texture to work upon. This is one step I always follow whenever I am working on a MDF base. Now as we are doing texture decoupage, so the first step that we have to do is you have to texture the base you are working at. So this technique you can use on any MDF surface if you want to work out on a tissue paper box or a tray, coasters, any surface you want to work on, you can use these techniques. So the first thing is applying texture. So for doing texture, you can use any texture paste you are having, the basic texture paste, modeling texture paste, any paste that you are having in your stash, you can use it. So for doing texturing, you just have to put the stencil on the base and apply texture through the stencil. So you will get this beautiful look just the way I have got it. So once the texturing is done, we are going to let it dry. You can let it dry naturally also. If you're having a heat tool, you can use it for drying also. So now we are done with all 4 layers and we're going to let it dry naturally. So now my texture paste is dry and now I'm going to move to the second step, that is applying decoupage tissue on the whole surface. So as I have told in my previous video, the decoupage tissue come with 3 ply and we work with single ply always. So you have to remove the 2 extra plies from the tissue and you have to paste just the printed portion on your surface. Make sure that you remove both the plies properly. So here I am removing both the plies, and as you can see, I am pasting just the printed portion on the surface. So for sticking it, I am using my finger, and once I'm going to stick it nicely on the whole surface, I'm going to take a sponge and I'm going to dab it nicely so that the impression of texture is visible through the tissues also. So as you can see, I am dabbing it with a sponge and the texture is visible through the tissue. So the same process on the second side, I am applying my decoupage glue here. So when you're applying this decoupage glue, make sure that you apply the glue evenly, generously throughout the surface, especially in the corners, because most of the time if you miss applying glue in the corners, the tissue that they peel off, they tear off from the corner. So make sure that you are applying glue generously in the corner and you are pasting it nicely. Seal it properly from all the sides. Now again the same technique on the third side, just apply the tissue, remove the plies and paste it on the surface. I'm quickly gonna do this. As you can see, I have removed both the plies and I'm sticking the tissue on the surface. So here my sponge is dry. I am not taking a wet sponge. There's no need of taking a wet sponge. You can dab it with a dry sponge also. And we are almost done. So this is the 4th side and we have covered all the 4 sides of the pen stand, and as you can see, the texture is looking beautiful through the tissue also. And just by simply wetting the corners of the tissue, you can peel off the extra tissue. You can use a sandpaper also for doing the same technique. So now it's time to add on some more colors and finishing to our artwork. So this one is a really quick one. This is like really basic and quick art that could be done by all age groups. So if your kids are also free during these lockdown days, and if you want to indulge them in good activities, you can connect with us for the DIY kits as well. Yes, we are providing DIY kits of these articles, so you can connect with us through Facebook or Instagram. You can follow us there and you can connect with us there. So I have given a layer of blue color, as you can see, on the rib of the pen stand. As my theme was beach theme, so I have chosen blue color. You can go it according to the print and theme of your tissue. So I have said this in my previous video also, that more and more finishing, more and more detailing is the sign of a mature crafter. So here I am doing a coat of black color under my pen stand to just give it a finished look. As you can see, I have done the black color on the ribs, on the corners, and under the pen stand also, everywhere. So you get a very finished look. And now it's time to add on decoupage varnish. Yes, decoupage varnish, there are a lot of people who ask me, is the varnish necessary? So yes, people, varnish is very important, and you have to give a 2-layer of varnish, a generous layer of varnish. So one I'm doing here online and one I'm gonna do offline. So you have to give 1 layer of varnish, and then you have to let it dry for a few hours, and then you can apply the second layer. So I'm almost done. I have almost applied the layer of varnish throughout my pen stand, and then I'm gonna let it dry. You can apply the varnish on all the colors. Every part that is open, you can apply the layer of varnish on all those parts. As you can see, I am doing the same on all the corners and the ribs and inside the pen stand, everywhere. So as you can see, my varnish thing is done and it's dry. And now it's time to add on some elements to it. So we're gonna add on some layers of beautiful elements. I'm gonna add on some shells, some beads, some flowers to it. And once it is done, our pen stand would be complete. So I hope it was very easy for all of you and you loved watching it, and you would love to try it. If you want to try it, do connect with us for DIY kits. Thank you so much for being with us here. If you liked our video, please do like, share and subscribe and follow us. Thank you so much.
I'll be done just sing this song, so wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse, follow your design.